Welcome to openCV tutorial. openCV is a programming library aimed to real-time computer vision. It can be used with C, C++, Java, Python, etc. It is commonly used in embedded systems, image processing, face recognition, etc. Let's look how to get openCV on your computer. First, open your browser and search for openCV. This is the official openCV website. Open that. You can see the downloads here. If you're using Windows, you can download this from the first link. If you're using Linux or Mac, you can download from here. Yeah, I'm just trying downloading for Linux. Just save it. This is how you can download the openCV. And for the installation, please follow the steps from below search results. Search for openCV installation in Windows or Ubuntu. I am using Ubuntu, that's why I am using this. So here you can see lots of links providing how to install openCV. I followed this one as I'm using Ubuntu. There are lots of links showing even video links are there provided. So just follow any one of them. You can follow these links. In this tutorial, I am working with Python. Look at the program. The first line, import CV2. Import CV2 is used to import the openCV library into our Python programming. NumPy. Next one is importing NumPy. NumPy is a mathematical library that is necessary for working with openCV that we have installed on installing the openCV. Just import that. It's not necessary for importing NumPy here, but some case it will be necessary. Then let's look at the first three lines. These three lines are used to display an image. This is the first. We have to give the name of any variable. It's a variable, image1. You can use any name for that. It is not necessary to use image1. You can use var or a or c, whatever you like here, as it's a variable. And cvt.imread. This is a image reading function provided by the openCV. As an argument, you have to give the location of the image. Here my image is located at the desktop, so that's why I'm given the /home/roshan desktop.leonard.jpg. This is my image. Or you can give the corresponding location of your image on your computer. You should change this with the location of image on your computer. Then the next line, cv2.im show image1 lena, img1. Here this function is used for showing the image or the displaying the image. Here the first, you can see the two parameters here. The first parameter, that is the image1 lena, it will be shown, it will be the name of the Windows. I will show it later. And then you can see the image1. This is the second parameter, is the where the image is, what image you have to show here. Here we have read an image here into variable img1. We have, as we want to display the img1, we are used here img1. Then next thing is cv2.wait key 0. The wait key 0 function is similar to getch in C++. It will wait until you press any key. If any key you press, the program will jump to next line. So let's move into the second paragraph. This is the second paragraph. It contains 3 lines. It also used for displaying the image. Here I am using another image, that is the image of Messi, a football player. This is the image. As in the case above, the same lines are repeated here. I am read, I am show, and the cv2.wait key color image. Then on the next image, on the next line, I have read the image in the grayscale mode. In grayscale mode, we will read image in grayscale, that is similar to black and white image. That is, we are reading the color image here, but it will take into the openCV as a black and white image. For that we are using an extra parameters, that is an additional parameters to the imread function. You can see here, usually we don't have, we used to only one parameters here in the same imread function, but here we have 2 parameters. 0, the 0 is used for making the image into grayscale image. Then this function, the imshow gray image, gray img, is used for displaying the gray image in the cv2.wait key function. In the previous 2 cases we have used the 0 as the argument, but here we have been used 3000 as the argument to the wait key function. So in this case, the program will wait for 3 seconds before the execution of the next line, that is the cv2.destroy all windows function. In the first case, as we are used 0, it will wait until we press any key. But in this case, it will not wait until pressing any key. It will be based on a time. That is, here we are given an argument as 3000, so it will wait until 3 seconds. If you given 4 or 5 second, 4 or 5 as we like, that way seconds will wait. The next line is cv2.destroy all windows. This function is used to destroy all windows that is being created on displaying the previous image. That is, in this case, this line will make 1 window, and next 3 lines will make another window, and next 3 lines will make another window. And for destroying all these windows, we are using this function, the cv2.destroy all windows function. So let's look at the last 2 lines. This function cv2.imwrite is used for writing an image into the computer memory. It will create a file called messygray.jpg in the location /home/desktop. You have to specify the location where the image is stored. If you are using Windows, you can type like this: C /# users blah 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 /messy.jpg, or whatever you like, or the name of the image to be created there. Here, as I am using the Ubuntu, I am using /home/desktop, then the name of the image, and the gray image. It is the as I explained in the previous state, I just converted the color image into grayscale image and stored in the variable gray image. That is, I am used here the gray image. I'm saving the gray image into the computer memory. That's for that purpose I am used these two lines. And cv.wait key, it is as explained before. So let's run this program and look, have a look. Yeah, save the place. Here I just open my terminal and see. Stop. For running the program, just type python space the name of the program. I just given the name test1.py, so just type that test. So this is the first image that is the result of these lines, these 3 lines. So if I press any key on here, the next image will be displayed because the program is waiting until we pressing any key. I just pressed some key, so now executing these lines, and it is waiting for the getting input from keyboard. If I pressed any key next time, sorry, not here, press on this image, press any key, the next image, that is the grayscale image of the previous image comes come, and it wait under 4000 milliseconds and destroyed all the windows. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for